How to monetize YouTube channel. Monetizing a YouTube channel allows creators to earn money through ads, memberships, and other revenue streams supporting their content creation efforts. And I'm going to show you how to do that one. So this is a proven method, and of course this is done with the help of TubeBuddy. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is how to do it. So as you can see, I already have here like 895 subscribers with 34 videos, and you can see here in my channel all the videos that I have uploaded. Now without further ado, let's go ahead to the topic. Click your profile here and you should be able to see here YouTube Studio. Click that one. After opening your YouTube Studio, you will be redirected here. Now what you're going to do is just go to this part here and you should be able to see here an option that says earn. Go ahead and click that one. And then I'm going to show you this one here. And if I'm going to scroll down here, I should be able to see here an eligibility criteria. Basically, these are the criteria that you have to meet in order for you to start monetizing your channel. So for the eligibility, for example, it needs about 500 subscribers, but I have 895, so I have already achieved this one. For the video uploads, you need to have about 3 video uploads in the last 90 days. Another thing is this one here, you need to reach about 3,000 public watch hours. In my case, I've only achieved 20 public watch hours in the last 365 days. And last but not the least here is 3 million shorts views. So in my case, I only have 3. But yeah, that is because I haven't been very active here recently. But in order for me to achieve this, that is what I used. And if you're interested in how I achieve this one, you can just go ahead and visit this particular video here, wherein I showcased on how to achieve 1,000 followers and how to grow your YouTube channel. So there are 2 separate videos here in the YouTube channel. Just go ahead and try to check them one by one, and that is going to tell you all about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy has been very helpful for us. You have here your Keyword Explorer. If there is a topic that you're interested in doing, then definitely Keyword Explorer is going to be the one that is going to tell you. So Keyword Explorer is our ultimate keyword research tool for YouTube. It is helped to uncover what people are searching for on YouTube, rank higher in search results, and get relevant video topic ideas. And last but not the least, it drives more views to your videos. And this is why we love Keyword Explorer. Now if you're interested in shorts as well, there is also a shorts analyzer for you. So if you're doing one particular niche, you can just go ahead and click this one here. This is actually new right now, but I think this is going to be very beneficial for people or for YouTubers who have been doing a lot of shorts lately. These tools from TubeBuddy aren't just features, they're your secret weapons for growing your YouTube channel. Dive in, explore, and watch your channel soar to new heights with TubeBuddy. Click that link in the description box and the comment section below to grant yourself some discount in TubeBuddy. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if it helps you out.